Hello friends, now welcome back to my channel. Now I'm going to show you how to connect to any Wi-Fi without password. Now I'm doing this video for educational purposes only. Now to connect to any Wi-Fi without password, you will go to settings, and choose Wi-Fi. As you can see, I'm already connected to a Wi-Fi, but I do not know the password of this Wi-Fi. Now for us to know the password of this Wi-Fi, we will click the connected Wi-Fi, and then it will bring you to this QR code. Now you will take the screenshot of this QR code. You will take the screenshot, then you will go to Chrome, then type in zxing.org, then search. It will bring you to this page. Now on this page you will click choose file, and then click files, and then you will choose the screenshot that we've just taken. Choose the screenshot. As you can see, our screenshot has already been uploaded. Now move to this side and click submit. And this is the password for this Wi-Fi. As you can see, this is the name of the Wi-Fi and this is the password. Now you can also do this using another method that I'm going to show you. And please subscribe to my channel and also like the video so that it can also motivate me to make other videos. Now the next method, you will download QR code. Go to Play Store and search for QR code scanner, this one, and then ensure that you've downloaded it and installed it. As you can see, for mine it is not updated. I will update it. I will click update. It is almost. It is installing. Now after it has updated, I will open and click the image. Click that image section. Choose gallery. And then pick up your screenshot and click OK. Now as you can see, this is the password for this Wi-Fi and this is the name for this Wi-Fi. Now guys, if your friend has not connected to the same Wi-Fi, you can give him the password so that he can also get connected. And this is only done when one phone has been connected to Wi-Fi and another one has not been connected to Wi-Fi. Now you can use the same password to connect to the same Wi-Fi and without the owner knowing. And guys, I'm doing this for educational purpose. Please do the right thing. Don't be found if you are doing this illegal thing. Otherwise, subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next one.